What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you a cross-border arbitrage opportunity between Nigeria and Ghana, where you'll be buying USDT at a profitable rate on the Ghanaian P2P market. All right, so make sure you watch this video completely, guys. Don't skip any part of it, so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be revealing to you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don't Camps TV, and what we do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever Don't Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Bybit account right now. So before we begin this arbitrage, you first of all need to have a Bybit account. Okay, so it's very mandatory for you to have a Bybit account before you can actually carry out this arbitrage, guys. All right, so when you are done creating your Bybit account, the next step would be verifying your KYC. Okay, so verifying your KYC right here on Bybit is quite easy. All you need to have is a valid government issued ID card. Okay, it could be your driver's license, your international passport, your voter's card, or whatsoever, valid government issued ID you have. It can actually work right here on Bybit, guys. Okay, so when you are done verifying your KYC, the next step would be going over to the P2P section right here. As you can see, you just simply hit on it, guys. All right, it's going to load up right now. Let's give this some time. Okay, guys, so here we are. So while you are here on the P2P market, over here that says NGN, you just simply hit on it and then you find GHS, guys. Okay, which is the Ghanaian market. I'm going to hit on GHS right here. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to hit on GHS, guys. Okay, so this is the Ghanaian market right now. So as you can see, they are currently selling USDT at the rate of 13.25 Ghana cedis. As you can see right here, some are selling for 13.28, some are selling for 13.30. As you can see, this guy right here is currently online. There's actually a green, signal right here, which indicates that this guy is currently online. Okay, this guy called my exchange, as you can see right here. So guys, how do you actually purchase USDT from these guys? It's quite easy, guys. Okay, so before we proceed, guys, if you are getting value from this video so far, don't hesitate to leave this video a thumbs up right now, and as well smash on that subscribe button if you have not done that yet, because I'm going to be dropping wonderful updates right here on this channel for you guys to always benefit from. Okay, so guys, with that being said, how do you actually purchase USDT from these guys? So there's actually an app called ZPay. Okay, so ZPay is currently a new app which helps you transfer money to Ghanaians. Okay, transfer money to them, and boom, guys, they actually release the USDT you transfer to them right here to your Bybit account. Okay, so it's quite easy, guys. So what you just simply do is find a trader right here who is actually willing to give you his mobile money number and as well his name. Okay, so when they actually give you their mobile money number and also their name, all you just simply do is go over to ZPay, and ZPay is going to help you credit them, guys. Okay, so how do you actually do that? So first of all, you just simply hit on amount right here and filter the amount you actually want to buy. So let's say you actually want to buy the sum of 1,000 Ghana cedis. Just simply hit on confirm, and then over here that says all payment method, you simply hit on it and select mobile money and Vodafone cash, and then you simply hit on confirm, guys. Okay, it's going to load up. Okay, so let's see what you want to buy from this guy right here called Bybit. As you can see, this guy is actually cool. It's currently selling for 13.34 Ghana cedis. All right, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says buy. Okay, so let's say we actually want to buy 1,000 Ghana cedis right now. Just simply hit on 1,000 right here. Okay, so as you can see, 1,000 Ghana cedis is actually worth about 74.96 USDT. Okay, so let's say it's worth about 75 USDT. All right, so what do we do next? The next step would be going over to ZPay, guys. Okay, but before we actually go over to ZPay, just simply hit on this place right here that says buy. Here we are, guys. So what do you do next? You just simply hit on the contact seller button right here, and then you just simply contact the guy by saying, hi, please drop your mobile money number here for payment. Okay, so as you can see, I just wrote the guy now, so let's see his response. Okay, let's see his response. Oh, as you can see right here, it says that I should read his terms. He said order at my second ad for direct payment. Okay, so this guy actually accepts direct payment but not on this ad. Okay, so I just simply need to cancel this order right now and actually go over to his second ad for direct payment, guys. Okay, so that is what this guy actually means right here. So this guy is actually willing to collect direct payment from me, but not on this particular ad he created. Okay, so that is basically what it is. So I'm going to cancel this order right now, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on continue right here, and then I can just simply say the payment method provided by the seller is missing, or something like I didn't meet his this counterparty's requirement. I'm going to hit on this one right here. Then I simply hit on I have not paid, and then I simply hit on confirm. Okay, so I just successfully cancel this order right now. I'm going to confirm. So that is basically what I mean. So sometimes if you ask a trader for his direct number and it doesn't give to you, you can simply come over to the market section again and find someone else who's going to give you his direct number and name to actually send money to them directly, guys, using their mobile money number. All right, so when you eventually find a trader right here who's going to give you his direct mobile money number, the next step would be going over to ZDPay, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go over there right now so we'll see how it works, guys. Okay, so let's go. So remember, guys, we are working on 75 USDT. Okay, so let's go, guys. Boom, guys, so here we are on ZDPay website right now. So the name of the site is called zdpay.com. Okay, so before you can start using ZDPay, you first of all need to sign up successfully and as well do your KYC, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can start using the ZDPay website application. All right, so when you're actually done registering and doing all of that, the next step would be hitting on this three hamburger sign right here, and then over here that says send money, you just simply hit on the send money option right here, and then you simply hit on send now. Okay, so it's going to load up, guys. Let's give this some time. So as you can see right here, 1 USDT is currently worth the sum of 14.290 GHC. And remember, guys, 1 Ghana cedis to USDT right there on Bybit is currently 13.35 Ghana cedis, guys. Okay, but right here the rate is actually much more higher with about 1.29 cedis profit, as you can see right here. Okay, so let's say we actually want to send 75 USDT to a user. All we simply do is, as you can see, I'm going to hit on 75 right here. Okay, so as you can see, guys, 75 USDT is going to give us 1071.75 Ghana cedis. And remember, 1000 Ghana cedis right there on Bybit gave us the sum of 75 USDT. But right here on ZDPay, 75 USDT is worth 1071.75 Ghana cedis. Okay, so this is it, guys. So let's actually go back to Bybit right now to actually check the profit we'll be making from this trade before I show you exactly how you can send the Ghanaian cedis you see right here to the Ghanaian user using their mobile money number, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go over to Bybit right now. Okay, so here we are on Bybit. So remember, we actually got the sum of 1071.75. Okay, so I'm going to find someone right now who is currently online. Okay, so I'm going to use this guy right here. Bye. And then I'm going to hit on 1071.75. Okay, so as you can see right here, guys, we'll be making a whopping 5.3 USDT profit from this trade. Okay, so that is simply how this arbitrage works. So this is the amount you'll be sending using the ZDPay app. You just simply impute this amount right there on ZDPay, and you also impute this amount right here to actually inform the trader that this is the amount you'll be sending. All right, and when the trader receives the payment, you'll be credited a sum of 80.34 USDT on your Bybit account, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the ZDP app right now so I show you guys exactly how you can send, and as well the network fee involved in sending over to any Ghanaian merchants that are here on Bybit. Okay, so guys, let's go. All right, so here we are. So when you're actually done imputing the amount of money you want to send, you just simply scroll down, guys. Okay, and over here that says source of funds, you just simply impute maybe gift, something like that. Then over here that says sending purpose, you simply hit on it and just say family. All right, and over here that says payment via crypto payment. Okay, it's actually crypto payment. And down below here that says existing recipient, just simply hit on it and select select one. Receiver's name, you just simply impute the person's name, and as well the person's mobile number, and you can just simply input your email right here. Okay, it doesn't matter, any email right here, you can actually input any email over there. And right here that says delivery method, you just simply hit on it, and then you select either MTN, Momo, or Telecel, depending on the mobile number the Bybit merchant gave to you, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can do this. Okay, and then you simply hit on continue. When you hit on continue right here, guys, you're going to be seeing your network fee of 1.5 USDT. Okay, so the network fee right here on ZDP is just 1.5 USDT for any transaction. Okay, and mind you guys, your profit is still very much intact without being, tampered with. So that is one thing about the ZDP that is really, really good, guys. All right. And also, guys, when you hit on continue right here, you're going to be seeing the ZDP crypto wallet address where you're going to be sending, 75 USDT to. Okay, mind you guys, you would also be sending the, network fee alongside with your capital. Okay, so let's see. I actually want to send right now. I'm to send 76.5 USD as 1.5 USD is a network fee right here on ZDP. Okay, so when you're actually done doing all of that, within 30 to 40 minutes, the Ghanaian user will be credited, and boom, guys, transaction will become successful immediately. Okay, so that is basically how you can trade, in the Ghanaian market and still make some good profit for yourself, guys. Okay, so guys, more updates on crypto arbitrage will be coming, consistently on this channel. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys, and also join my Telegram channel. The link is going to be on this video description. Join the channels to actually get updated on, new opportunities that can fetch you money right here on the internet space, guys. Okay, do not snooze, stay active on this channel, guys, because more and more opportunities will be coming for you guys right here on this channel. Okay, so I think this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today, guys. If you actually have questions regarding ZDP, make sure you leave it down below the comment section. I'll be more than willing to answer your questions, guys. Okay, so guys, thank you all for watching this video up until this time. If you found this video helpful, guys, kindly leave this video a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon, so whenever wonderful updates like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on this channel, you would always be the first to get notified, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.